Magnatag's SafetyCross magnetic scoreboard system visually communicates the importance of safety to everyone in your organization. The eye-catching design makes safety awareness come alive as employees build a solid green accident-free safety cross. Our customers tell us they're a good tool for increasing safety awareness because no one wants to see a red or yellow mark on their board. SafetyCross is available in 2 sizes. The 2-foot by 2-foot board can be read from 10 feet away, while the 3-foot by 3-foot board is visible from 50 feet or more. SafetyCross comes in 4 styles: 52-week year, 31-day month, or 365-day year formats. Spanish versions are also available. You can customize your printed board heading for free using our You Design It editing tool as you order online. Fast and easy to use, the SafetyCross comes with everything needed to operate it, including the permanently heat-fused printed SafetyCross board, red, green, and yellow safety magnets, and a magnetic year and month sets. SafetyCross is the perfect focal point for your safety awareness program. Make going for another safe day, week, month, or year your safety goal. SafetyCross is available factory direct and only from Magnatag Visible Systems.